What's going on? This your boy Gangstar Talk with AJ, and I'm back with another video. So in this video, man, I want to talk about just some encouragement for anybody who may be having a bad day today, who may be having a bad year overall, bad week, bad month, whatever it may be. It's a lot being targeted, man. It's a lot that you're gonna have to, a lot of emotions, a lot of different emotions, a lot of different feelings that you will experience along this unique path. And once again, as we all know, it's not your fault. It's not your fault that your privacy has been invaded, your life has been invaded. Everything you do is under a microscope. They don't want you to have any friends. They don't want you to have a social life at all. They don't want you to be a part of society in general. But I know when it comes to some of us, especially some of us that used to be very social, that's used to having family support and, overall just love people, being loved, that's a big void, for a lot of us, that's used to having that camaraderie in terms of, friendship and relationships and family. So this can be a big adjustment for a lot. And unfortunately, we have lost people as a result, But to us that's still standing tall, that's standing strong, that's still fighting, that's still praying, giving it to God every day. We wake up every day and we do what we got to do to make sure that, our families are good and everything is good. I want y'all to keep going. Keep going. Don't give in. Don't succumb to the pressure, because as we all know, there is an easy way out, and they want us to take that route. And I'm here to tell you, don't take that route. Don't allow yourself to get so overwhelmed that you feel like that's the only way to overcome, and to feel at peace when it comes to dealing with this. Don't give up. Keep fighting. Keep the faith, and most importantly, you have a reason. You have a reason to live. You have a reason to be, a part of the society. You have a purpose. So don't let how people feel about you, what they perceive about you, especially if they're too coward to even approach you and tell you anything. Like they're not even taking the time out to even talk to you and ask you what's going on. They're going about it the cowardly way by just going along with the assumptions, because it's easy to do that. Because nowadays you got to understand, like with social media and stuff like that, a lot of people, when rumors get started, stuff start to happen, the majority is going to go with the lies, because they know a lie is more entertaining than the truth. So they don't take the time to do their homework, ask them, what's going on, like ask the accused what's going on. Like they don't do that. They just run with it. And entities like the government and and other high-ranking programs, they know that. So that's why they know that they can easily manipulate people into believing lies about you, and they know they can easily get the majority to turn on you, and alter your life, man. They do everything they can to siphon every resource, every opportunity, every relationship you had, everything. And you're strong. If you're watching this video, you're a strong individual, because no matter what you've been through, you still wake up and you still fight. Now, we all gonna have our dark days. I mean, it's life, unfortunately, and it's a lot harder for us because we have to not only deal with the stresses of the world itself, but we have to deal with the stresses of being targeted, which is a whole nother beast in itself. You know what I'm saying? And this is nothing compared to what your everyday person deal with. I'm sorry. This is nothing compared. This is what we deal with is nothing compared. What we deal with is a lot more than what they deal with. Sorry about that, but it is. And it's like, bro, it's a lot, man. And I can be honest with you. I don't wish this life on my worst enemy. But I just think over time what gave me the strength is the reason and the will to be great. The will to be to be able to survive and thrive, you know. And I'm here to spark that encouragement in the community, because I feel like I got a purpose, man. I feel like my purpose, after dealing with this so long and going through the trials and tribulations, and even facing, you know what I'm saying, the circumstances that I face, you know, coming up, like going through all that, and then I'm here to talk about it, you know what I'm saying, and I'm here to, you know, share my testimony with everybody, you know, who's suffering, and who may not even realize what they're dealing with, you know, or who may be seeking information to kind of put the pieces together for what they're dealing with, man. And it's been a struggle for me, for sure. But I feel like, you know, I've took everything they said. I've heard every name but the child of God from these people. They've done everything they can to ridicule me, bring me down, make me feel less than, try to lower my self-confidence, and, you know what I'm saying, and just, you know, take away my life spiritually, psychologically. Like, they did everything they can, you know what I'm saying, to take me away. And and one thing they didn't break is my spirit, because I gave it to God, man. I put it in God's hands. I submitted to God, and I kept fighting. I did what God told me to do. Just keep fighting, man. Keep going, you know. Just confide in Him in all, you know. And as we know, no weapon formed against us shall prosper, man. And you can do whatever you want to do in this world. You have the same opportunities they have. They just want to discourage you from getting to those opportunities. They know the potential we have as target individuals, and they want to do everything they can to discourage us, make us feel guilty for wanting to do something to better ourselves. And you're worth it. And if you're watching this video, you're worth everything plus some. You're a diamond in the rough. You deserve everything this world has to offer. Don't let nobody tell you otherwise. Don't let nobody tell you you can't. Don't let nobody tell you you ain't worth it. Don't let nobody tell you that you this and you that, and try to demean you and bring you down. Fellas, don't let these women bring you down, man. Ladies, don't let these men bring you down. Because it's, for fellas, it's like, we have this thing, right, to where for us it's like we have this complex, you know what I'm saying, to where, like, damn, you know what I'm saying, I'm feeling her, you know what I'm saying, or she lead me on, you know what I'm saying, she turning me down or whatever, and we kind of get down on ourselves, especially after dealing with it for so much. But as you grow older, you start to realize that, you know what, a lot of the stuff that you're dealing with, a lot of the women that's doing this, they don't really have anything. They don't really have anything to offer anyway. You know what I'm saying? They don't have anything, you know what I'm saying, to offer. There's some twins right there. Some twins. They twins. Yeah, I got distracted. They cute too. Anyways, back at the. See, I got off topic, but there's some twins though. Shit. Anywho, like I was saying, but yeah, understand that this world and this society, this body that you have, this mind that you have, this spirit that you have, this heart that you have, this soul that you have, you get one. You get one of them. So stop letting these people pull you away from what you want to do with your life. Whatever you want to do, we all got different goals, we all got different aspirations. Get out there and do it, man. You know what I'm saying? Get out there and do it, man. Don't allow these people to discourage you from living out your dreams and your aspirations in this life. Remember, if you need to take breaks, you know what I'm saying? taking a break, you know what I'm saying, is healthy. I'm talking about from work, from whatever you need a break from, just from people. You know what I'm saying? Take a break. It's vital, you know what I'm saying? Being targeted is vital. Like, it's vital to take a break and just, you know, recalibrate, you know what I'm saying, and recharge, because it can get overwhelming. Like, especially when you're ignoring so much and getting and not letting and dealing with so much, but at the same time, it's like you're holding in so much. That's when people explode and do something they're going to regret, because they hold it in so much, and they don't talk to God. They don't talk to God. They don't pray. They don't do things to blow it off, like go run, exercise, you know, whatever that may be. They don't do things to kind of just brush it off their mind. When you're holding on to stuff like that, you explode, man, and then you take it out on somebody, and then you've essentially took yourself out, took your freedom away. And that's what they want to do, is trick us out our freedom. So don't allow these people to trick you out your freedom. Have some healthy, do some healthy things in order to get to recover, to feel better. You know what I'm saying? Do healthy things. You know what I'm saying? I mean, to each his own. You smoke or drink, to each his own. That's on you. But I'm just saying, like, that's not, for me, that's not the healthiest thing to do. Because I used to use marijuana to suppress this, and it always was there when I came back. Well, Mary Jane, you know, for YouTube purposes. But yeah, don't engage in stuff like that. Keep your mind pure, you know what I'm saying, so you can stay focused on what the main thing is. And y'all keep fighting out there, man. Don't give up. Never give up. Fight this fight, man, because eventually we're gonna get some justice. Eventually we're gonna get what we're looking for. But you have to fight that fight, man. Keep going. Keep going. Don't give up. Don't succumb to and do whatever they want us to do. Don't give up. Put God first, y'all. But it's your boy Gangstar Talk with AJ. Like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications. I've been on my grind today, man. What is it, about 1 o'clock? 1:20. Been grinding, man. And I'm about to go ahead and get back on the grind. I just got finished, you know, doing the delivery. But I decided to kick it, make this video, and just, you know, give some words of encouragement. You know, sometimes when I make these videos, like, it feels good to do this because it helps me as well. Me making a video for you guys helps me as well. It helps me, you know, it motivates me and helps me feel better. So, yeah, I appreciate y'all tuning in. Y'all have a blessed rest of your day. I think it's Tuesday, and enjoy the day, man. Don't let the events of the day ruin your day, man. And keep an eye on your surroundings, man. Don't let nobody in your circle, you know what I'm saying, that could potentially hurt you. God bless y'all. Peace.